Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. So now I start from this one first. Okay, let's start with me. A ladder truck. Okay, the next one. Mobil Truk. Everybody, Mobil Truk or truck. Another one, everybody. How about this one? Green supercar. Green supercar. A nice supercar. Now check the next one. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Nice bulldozer. Okay, another one. Crane. Everybody, this is a nice crane. Now check another one. How about this one? Monster truck. Mini monster truck. A nice monster truck. My favorite monster truck. Now check the next one. Super motorbike. A nice super motorbike. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. Okay. Now check this one. My favorite hero, Spider-Man, red Spider-Man. Now check the next. Supercar. Okay, supercar. The next one. Green racing car. Nice green racing car. Okay, the next one. How about this one, everybody? Mobil Truk. Indonesian language. Mobil Truk or truck. Okay, the next one. How about this black beast? Express transportation. Express transportation truck. Express transportation car. Black color. Okay, now check another one. Another interesting vehicle. How about this one? Yellow super motorbike. Yellow super motorbike. The next one. Logistic truck. Everybody, this is a logistic truck. There are two containers. Green container and yellow container. Now check the next one. Mobil Tanki. This is a Mobil Tanki, Indonesian language, or tank truck. Now check the last one. Everybody, this is a nice racing car. A green racing car with number 1355. Everyone, if you love this video, if you like my video, please write down, like, and especially click a subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to be happy every time, everywhere. Thank you for watching.